Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about how making these thick lines. And while that video was loading, I thought this is a pretty cool little exercise right here. Let's just take a straight line, a 2-point line, and just hold down the control button after you start moving. Let's make it 12 inches just per se. Then let's change our nudge factor to 1/2 inch, and let's Control D and make a duplicate, and then Control D down about as many times you want to do it. And then take these lines, Control D and make a duplicate, and mirror them, or not mirror them, but rotate them 90 degrees. Now at this time, if you'll select them all and go up to Object and combine them, then go over your pen tool. The lines are 1/2 inch apart, so we're going to make them 1/4 inch thick with rounded end caps. Pretty cool design. One thing you could probably do with it, and it will select it all, go up to Object, convert the outline to an object, and then if you left click, right click. And if you look at this, it's kind of strange. You think, oh, that's a lot of things are going to fall out. Well, all the little squares are going to fall out, because if we smart fill it and make it brown like wood, that's what you're going to have left. If you cut that out of, you could actually, if it was equal, you could cut it out of 1/8 inch birch plywood and then laminate them together, or even make the bottom sheet solid with just this outline, glue it together and make a pretty cool trivet. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.